Hey everyone, are Google fonts not loading on your website or project? In this video, I'll show you how to fix common Google fonts loading issues step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure your device can access the Google Fonts website. Next, verify that your Google Fonts link or CSS code is added correctly. I mean, a small mistake in the code can prevent the font from loading. If you're using HTML, check the font link inside this section. For CSS, make sure the import code or font family name matches the selected Google font. Next, clear your browser cache and refresh your website to load the latest font files. If you're using WordPress or another website builder, check your theme, plugins, or custom code settings that control fonts. Make sure the font name, weight, and style you selected are available. Requesting an unavailable font style can cause loading problems. You can also try disabling browser extensions or testing your website in another browser to find possible conflicts. Finally, check your website speed settings, caching tools, and security plugins that may block external font requests. And that's how to fix Google Fonts not loading. By checking your code, settings, and browser issues, you can usually restore your fonts quickly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.